Ualett Cash Advance Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if you could get a fast, convenient cash advance without jumping through hoops or waiting days for approval? Most people get this wrong, assuming all cash advance services are expensive, slow, or unsafe. The surprising truth about Ualett Cash Advance in 2025 is that it offers a streamlined, digital-first solution for short-term cash needs, but is not perfect for every situation. Today, we're going to break it all down so you can decide if it's worth it or if you should leave it behind. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Ualett works, its eligibility requirements, fees and repayment terms, application process, approval speed, security features, real-world examples, potential drawbacks, and tips to maximize benefits in 2025. Stay with me, because near the end I'll reveal one strategy to minimize costs when using Ualett that most users overlook. Let's start with the basics. Ualett is a financial platform that provides short-term cash advances to consumers needing quick access to funds. Unlike traditional payday loans or bank overdraft programs, Ualett is entirely digital, allowing users to apply, get approved, and receive funds directly to their bank accounts within hours. In 2025, its goal is to provide responsible, transparent, and convenient short-term financing without unnecessary fees or delays. Now, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for a Ualett Cash Advance, applicants generally need to meet a few simple criteria: be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, a checking account in good standing, and proof of income. Ualett reviews income and banking history to ensure users can repay the advance responsibly. Unlike traditional lenders, Ualett focuses on speed and accessibility while maintaining responsible lending standards. Now, let's talk about the application process. The application is entirely online or through the mobile app. Users enter personal information, banking details, and income verification. The process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, often taking less than 5 minutes. Unlike conventional loans that require extensive documentation and credit checks, Ualett uses alternative data points to assess eligibility and approve advances faster. Now let's talk about approval speed. One of Ualett's standout features is its rapid approval process. In 2025, qualified applicants can receive approval within minutes, with funds deposited into their bank accounts typically on the same day. This speed is critical for urgent expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected emergencies. Most people assume cash advances take days to process, but Ualett's digital infrastructure significantly reduces wait times. Now, let's talk about fees and interest. Ualett's cash advance fees are transparent and disclosed upfront before completing the transaction. In 2025, typical costs range from a small flat fee to a modest percentage of the advance amount. Unlike traditional payday loans that charge exorbitant interest rates, Ualett aims to keep fees reasonable and predictable. Users repay the advance according to a set schedule, often aligned with their next payday, which helps avoid late fees or additional interest. Now, let's talk about repayment terms. Repayment is generally automatic from the linked bank account on the agreed-upon date. Ualett offers short-term terms, usually ranging from 1 to 4 weeks depending on the advance amount and user profile. Clear communication and reminders ensure that users understand when funds will be withdrawn, minimizing the risk of overdraft or missed payments. Now, let's talk about funding limits. Ualett advances vary based on income, banking history, and repayment ability. In 2025, typical amounts range from a few hundred to a couple $1,000s. This makes Ualett suitable for small to medium emergency expenses rather than large purchases. Users should plan responsibly and borrow only what they can repay comfortably. Now, let's talk about security. Ualett employs bank-level encryption, secure servers, and privacy safeguards to protect user data. Transactions are monitored for fraud, and personal information is never shared without consent. For consumers concerned about online lending, Ualett's digital security infrastructure in 2025 provides peace of mind for managing sensitive financial data. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Consider James, a freelancer who needed $500 to cover unexpected car repairs before his next client payment. Using Ualett, he applied online in minutes, was approved within an hour, and received funds directly into his account the same day. He repaid the advance on his next paycheck without incurring additional fees. Similarly, Lisa, a single parent, used Ualett to bridge a short gap before her rent payment. The transparent fees and fast processing allowed her to avoid late charges and manage her cash flow effectively. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Many users assume they can rely on Ualett as a long-term solution or borrow more than they can comfortably repay. Others fail to check the fees and repayment schedule, which can lead to overdraft or financial strain. To maximize benefits, users should treat Ualett as a short-term, responsible tool for emergency cash needs, not as a substitute for budgeting or long-term credit. Now, let's talk about advantages. Ualett's key advantages include speed, convenience, transparency, and accessibility. The fully digital platform removes the need for in-person visits, lengthy documentation, or credit checks. Upfront disclosure of fees ensures users understand costs before committing. Rapid funding makes it ideal for emergencies, and short-term terms prevent long-term debt accumulation when used responsibly. Now, let's talk about potential drawbacks. Despite its benefits, Ualett has limitations. Funding amounts are capped, making it unsuitable for large expenses. Repayment is tied to the linked bank account, so insufficient funds can lead to overdraft. Users relying on frequent advances may encounter repeated fees, so it's crucial to plan carefully. Additionally, Ualett is intended for personal use, not business or commercial funding. Now, let's talk about who benefits the most. Ualett is ideal for individuals with urgent, short-term cash needs who prefer digital convenience and transparent terms. Freelancers, gig economy workers, students, and anyone facing unexpected expenses without immediate cash on hand can benefit from Ualett in 2025. The speed and simplicity are unmatched compared to traditional lenders. Now, let's talk about who might want to skip it. If you have access to low-interest credit cards, personal lines of credit, or savings for emergencies, Ualett may not offer cost advantages. Users who struggle with budgeting or frequently require advances may find the fees accumulate over time. It's best used as a bridge for short-term, one-off needs rather than ongoing financial support. Now, let's talk about tips to maximize benefits. Always borrow only what you can repay on your next payday. Use bank account funding rather than debit or credit cards to minimize fees. Set reminders to avoid overdrafts, and plan advances as part of your short-term budget. Monitoring your usage helps ensure Ualett remains a helpful tool rather than a financial burden. Now, let's answer the big question. Is Ualett Cash Advance worth it in 2025? If you need fast, transparent, and convenient access to short-term cash, yes. Its digital-first platform, upfront fees, and rapid funding make it an attractive solution for emergencies. However, it is not a substitute for long-term financial planning, savings, or low-interest credit alternatives. Users should understand the costs and limits to use it responsibly. Here is the surprising truth. Many people underestimate the value of responsible, short-term cash advances. When used wisely, Ualett can prevent late fees, overdrafts, or financial stress during emergencies, offering peace of mind and flexibility. The combination of speed, transparency, and convenience is rare among cash advance providers in 2025. So let me ask you something. Do you want to struggle with slow, expensive alternatives, or do you want a transparent, fast, and reliable way to bridge short-term cash needs? If this review helped you understand Ualett Cash Advance, hit the like button so more people can discover smarter financial tools. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and comment below how would you use Ualett responsibly to manage unexpected expenses in 2025. Smart short-term borrowing is about speed, transparency, and control, and Ualett delivers all three when used wisely.